Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into how to update the Consulting WordPress theme efficiently and securely. Consulting theme updates are not just about new features, they include important security enhancements, bug fixes, and improvements that enhance the stability and usability of your website. You will be promptly notified via email from Theme Forest each time a new update is available. To guarantee a flawless update experience, there are a few steps that you should follow before you begin. Start by reviewing the changelog for any significant changes or new features. Always backup your entire site and database. This safety step is crucial to restore your site to its prior state if needed. Ensure your server meets the theme system requirements to avoid compatibility issues. If possible, perform the update on a staging version of your site first. This helps catch any issues in a safe environment before going live. Remember to disable automatic plugin updates in your WordPress dashboard under plugins. This prevents any unexpected errors during the update. Updating Consulting is straightforward using the WordPress admin panel. Let's walk through the steps together. Install or open Envato Market plugin available under Appearance, then Install Plugin section. This tool is essential for managing theme updates. Open the Envato Market and click on this link. It will bring you to the Envato website to generate a special token that we're going to use to update the theme. In the list, make sure to put ticks to view and search Envato sites, download the user's purchased items, and list purchases the user has made. Click on the button and copy that API token and paste it to the designated area in the Envato Market plugin. Save the change. A new Themes tab will appear. Go there and click on the Update Available button. A notification will confirm the successful update. With the theme updated, it's important to also update all related plugins to ensure compatibility and functionality. Navigate to Consulting, then Plugins. Once you click on the Update Available button, you will see a list of plugins with available updates. Update each one by clicking the Update button. On this page, pay special attention to the core plugins and their updates, which are in the core tab of the page. Using the theme without or with outdated core plugins causes several issues. By the way, while updating, do not close the page and wait patiently. After updating, clear your browser and server cache to ensure all new changes are properly reflected on your site. And that's it! You have successfully updated your Consulting theme. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for your watching and happy updating!